Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan waffles at home. Get ready to transform your breakfast routine with a simple, plant-based recipe that's both delicious and easy to follow. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to achieving that perfect golden crispness. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up a batch of these delightful treats, making mornings brighter and tastier for everyone. Let's get started. For your vegan waffles, you'll need basic pantry staples. Start by whisking together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, combine 1½ cups of plant milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Avoid overmixing for fluffy results. Now it's time to cook. Make sure your waffle iron is preheated to a medium-high setting. A good indicator is when the light turns green if your iron has one. Lightly grease the plates with a little oil to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/2 cup of batter onto the hot iron, spreading it evenly. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until your waffles are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Repeat with the remaining batter. The best part about homemade vegan waffles is customizing them. Drizzle with maple syrup, add fresh berries, or a dollop of vegan whipped cream. You can also get creative by mixing in chocolate chips, cinnamon, or even a little lemon zest into your batter before cooking. These waffles are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a sweet dessert. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade vegan waffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.